Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica. I am 42. I am 3 years clean from a drug addiction, and I am 4 years out of a particularly violent domestic relationship. Um, During one episode, you'll have to excuse my cats. I'm sure they're going to make an appearance. During one episode of violence, my teeth, he kicked my teeth in. Um, I saw several dentists. I talked to an oral surgeon because the way that they're broken, but they're still up there. So they would have to be cut out. It would require oral surgery, which is several $1,000s plus the additional several $1,000s for either dentures or veneers. Um, I saw an ad for Instasmile on Facebook, and I immediately started checking into it because my job, I'm a sous chef, and I have to be very vocal. And I'm also very animated. I like to talk. I like to laugh. But I didn't do that. I was always covering up my mouth. I didn't want anybody to see what had happened to my teeth. I carried a lot of shame around. I felt like it was my fault if I wouldn't have been doing the things I was doing, if I wouldn't have been with that person, if I would have left sooner, this wouldn't have happened, blah, blah, blah. I contacted Instasmile, and I just got the upper part. I got the classic set in the A1 shade. It was very. I had to do. I think I did 3 impressions. It was a little, but they walked me through it. I finally, I got it right. I was fortunate. I was able to just send a picture of mine, and they accepted it. And then I mailed them in. It took maybe about 3 weeks to get them back, which was really nothing compared to about 2 years that I hadn't been able to smile in front of anyone. This is actually my second set. They come in this nice little box. The first set, I didn't have my little case with me. Always carry your case. This thing is fantastic. I didn't have my case with me and went to wrap them up, and they snapped. But anyway, I got another set. They were very quick about that. I did not have to redo my impressions, so that was amazing. Thank you so much. But they're very, very easy to put in. So you got this. See? And I only have the top set right now. Working on getting the bottom set. They're very, very comfortable. They feel natural. Obviously, for me, not having front teeth, when I put this in, it feels normal. It feels natural. I didn't experience a lisp. I had a lisp before, so this actually made it better for me. But yeah, they're very affordable. They're very worth it. These are life-changing. This has changed my life. I actually speak to people now. I volunteer a lot of places, so it makes it easier for me to talk to someone. And also, if I know someone, if I see the damage, I know what that can do to someone, emotionally and in your personal life. So definitely, if you're looking into this, get these. These are amazing. They will change your life. Thank you so much, Instasmile.